In this guide, we will show you how to format or highlight cells that contain number values using preset rules in conditional formatting. Let's get started. Select one or more cells in a range or table where you want to apply the formats. Select cells B1, B4 in this example. Go to Home tab on the Excel ribbon. Then click on Conditional Formatting command under Styles group. From the drop-down menu, select Highlight Cells Rules. This will open a submenu with various rule options. You can select options such as greater than, less than, equal to, and more, depending on your requirements. Once you have selected the desired rule and entered the required values, such as 2017, choose one formatting style you prefer, such as green fill with dark green text. As you make changes in the dialog box, Excel will automatically show you a preview of how the formatting will appear on your selected cells. Take a moment to review and ensure it meets your requirements. Click OK button to apply the above preset rule that you're choosing. The selected cells in the range will now be formatted or highlighted based on the preset rule you chose.